Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. You're listening to Financial Survival, sponsored by Discount Gold and Silver Trading, 1-800-375-4188. I'm Melody Cedarstrom, and today is the first day of May in the year of 2009. First day of May, and a great day it is. And again, thank you for joining us this afternoon. You're listening to Financial Survival, and we do appreciate you joining us each and every day. And if you have any questions regarding your gold and silver coin portfolio, give us a call. You can also visit our website at discountgoldandsilvertrading.net. You can listen to archives of the program on a daily basis, discountgoldandsilvertrading.net. And if you have any questions for the program and questions regarding your investments, you can direct those to discountgoldandsilver@yahoo.com. discountgoldandsilver@yahoo.com. And I guess we have an email that you can actually email us from the website, and they all are forwarded to the discountgoldandsilver@yahoo.com. So we get them either way, so send them to us. We need questions for the program, and, of course, for your gold and silver coins, give us a call at 800-375-4188. Gold was all over the page today, and right now we're currently looking about down $1.30 at $885.90. Silver, she managed a gain of 8 cents today, 0.08 at $12.49. Platinum was down 13 at $1,100, and we also have palladium to the downside today at $219. For palladium. So gold at $885.90. Should be a lot higher. And we have the U.S. dollar trading down today. And with the kind of week that we had, you know, Bob was right on Wednesday that gold should be trading closer to $1,000. And we do have Robert Chapman joining us this afternoon from the International Forecaster. Good afternoon, Bob.
Good afternoon, Melody.
Can you hear me okay?
Perfectly. In fact, better than normal.
Oh, great.
And, but anyway, I had a busy day today. I did 10 programs on Fox News all over the country this morning.
Fabulous.
And I did G. Gordon Liddy show this morning.
Fabulous.
Yeah, so we're reaching out. It was mostly about the Chrysler and General Motors bankruptcy and possible bankruptcy, so to speak. And so I started at 5 a.m. on the radio. The programs, with the exception of one, there were 10 10-minute programs and one for a half hour, and then I did another program as well with another entity, and of course G. Gordon Liddy. Anyway, I'm a little talked out, but you know me, I'm never talked out. I'm just I misplaced my sheet with my prices, and I'm trying to find it, but we'll do the best we can. The market today, as usual, it was down after having been up 100 points. And right at the last 2 minutes, they closed it up 44 points, 82.12. Our government interfering in the market again. And gold is off 570 in the outside month. And I didn't get silver, but I'll pick it up. Oil was up $1.70. It was low all day long and went up. All kinds of inventory. S&P was up 44, the same as the Dow, if you use my formula. And the 10-year was 316 on the yield side. That's extremely, extremely significant. The 30-year broke down on Monday, and this is broke down through the 200-day moving average. the 200-day moving average on the 10-year was 3.05%. So today's price is a clear breakdown. And where it will go from here, I don't know. But as you know, in the International Forecaster, we've been predicting the 10-year at 3.50 by the end of the year, 3.50%, and it may move there sooner. And we made that prediction. I think it was at 2.40 or 45, or maybe it was 2.50. Anyway, it was a long ways ago. And I don't know anybody else that made that prediction. Everybody else thought it would go down more or stay down. But anyway, we're never in the pack anyway. And silver up 14 cents outside in June at 12.48. What's significant as well, and you should understand this, and I'm going to make it simple because this is what this program is about, so you can understand the significance of markets that you're not going to get in the university, nor is Wall Street or the media going to tell you this. The problem that the administration has is that the Chinese and Japanese are not buying any U.S. government paper, Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, Sallie Mae, FHA, or U.S. Treasuries. And that game is over for those two. And in fact, the Japanese haven't bought anything for a couple of years. And most of the buying's been coming out of the Middle East and out of hedge funds in the Caymans. And who knows whether the Federal Reserve doesn't have an account over there that they're buying from. I've always suspicioned that. There's no way of telling because they won't tell you what they're doing. Everything is a secret, and it's a state secret, and you can't know that. But the Federal Reserve is a private corporation, and they should be forced to tell us that. But anyway, the U.S. Treasury is having a problem. Between now and the end of September, they will probably have to raise about $1.5 trillion. And the money just isn't out there. Now, in order to attract what money might come in, they need higher interest rates. And they're getting them. But at the same time, the Federal Reserve is saying, no, 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 no. How can we clear up this mess and get people to buy houses and keep mortgage rates low down at the level of, say, 4.5% when the rates are going up? What you're doing is you're tying our hands. And those mortgage rates are at a record low as of yesterday when they were released. And so you have a dichotomy of purpose here. The Treasury needs higher interest rates and the Fed needs lower interest rates. And of course, in reality, the administration would like to see interest rates stay down. And I don't think they're going to have that luxury. And I write a lot about the mortgage situation in the issue that's coming out tomorrow. And it'll be another large blockbuster issue. And what I didn't really talk about there was the Chrysler situation and GM, which I will in the next issue. That's what I was talking about on Fox News in their major markets today, and that's what they wanted me to talk about. And so I've got a lot of information here, stripping out all the garbage and getting down to the brass tacks. I think the bottom line for GM and Chrysler is if they both go through bankruptcy, and we know one of them is going through, that's Chrysler, they both could last about 2 years. And just the state of the economy will destroy them. I mean, they can't survive. People are not buying many vehicles. And they're not going to. I mean, if you're getting laid off, or you're afraid you're going to get laid off, or you got a lot of, say, credit card debt and you want to get rid of it, you're paying it off. So you don't have extra money for things that you don't need unless the car breaks down and you say, "Fluey, I don't want to put a new engine in it." Or the refrigerator breaks down and says, it's 20 years old, I guess I can need a new one. They got to shell out another $1,000.